Hey everybody, I just wanted to talk to you about almond milk. Now many of us probably go to the store and buy an almond milk brand such as this Blue Diamond brand. And it's great. It's a great convenience. Usually you're going to have about 30 calories for unsweetened vanilla, okay? And that is for a serving size of 1 cup. So an alternative is to make it yourself. So the ingredients are pretty simple. Now, many of us can say, well, you know, if I use actual raw almonds and then I add it into the blender, then I have to use a nut mesh bag and that gets messy, and then extracting the pulp and all this stuff. And a lot of people are like, that's just too much work. And I have done that in the past. There is like like getting grounded with the actual elements of how you're making it that I like. But I've found a simple hack that I've been using for years, and that is almond butter. This is a great simple hack. So all you do is take raw almond butter, take a couple tablespoons per serving of what you're doing. In this case, for this size of the Vitamix picture, I have 3 cups of water. I have 4 tablespoons of the raw almond butter. I have a couple pinches of pink Himalayan salt. I have a little bit of spritzes of vanilla extract. And then in terms of a sweetener, you can use sugar, you can use honey. I like to use monk fruit, which is a great alternative that has 0 calories. So you're gonna put all those ingredients into your blender. I'm gonna blend it on high real quick. And again, the beauty of the Vitamix is that you're going to get the frothiness. And so you see that frothiness coming off? This is fantastic. And I've already poured a pitcher here with ice in it, and we're just going to pour that in. And so this was 3 cups of the ingredients of the water solubility. And here we go. This is the amount of what that produces. Grab your lid, and now you have, instead of this, you have this, and you've made it yourself in just a couple seconds with a high-speed power blender from Vitamix. So this is, again, what you're gonna have left over. You can then add this to your alternative coffee recipe that I gave recently. You can just have this plain. You can add this into your smoothies. You can have, use it as your milk substitute for coffee or tea. It's really great, very smooth and healthy. So join me in making things from scratch and doing it the fast way. This one was with raw almond butter. Have a good one.